I'm Jill, and today I have some English pronunciation practice for you in the form of a limerick. Limericks are kinds of nonsense poems, but they're a great way to practice the stress and rhythm of the English language. So listen to the limerick I have for you today, and then we'll break it down a little bit to practice. Because limericks are all about stress and rhythm, I find a good way to practice them is doing something physically that has a rhythm that you can match your speech to. So sometimes I go for a walk, but today I'm going to try something different. So let's see if I can do it. There was a young lady of Clare who was sadly pursued by a bear. When she found she was tired, she abruptly expired, that unfortunate lady of Clare.
There was a young lady of Clare who was sadly pursued by a bear. When she found she was tired, she abruptly expired, that unfortunate lady of Clare.
Just in case you're wondering, yes, Clare is a name, but it is also the name of a town in South England. So there was a lady of Clare, means she came from the town Clare, not she was called Clare. Sorry, Clare. Okay, so as I said, limericks have a rhythm, just like the English language has a rhythm. So when we speak, certain words are stressed and the other words get pushed together. So the limerick is a great example of this. So if you listen to the limerick and I say just the stressed words in this limerick. Okay, so just the stressed words in the limerick. Was Lady Clare sadly pursued bear? Found tired, abruptly expired, unfortunate Lady Clare. So all the other words get pushed together so we keep the rhythm. So you don't want the words in between to go too long, otherwise we lose the rhythm. Sometimes there's only one word, and that's fine, like of or a, but sometimes there's two words that get pushed together. So let's take a look at the words that are not stressed and how we push them together. Okay, so the unstressed words all should have the same length of time to be said. So sometimes one word, sometimes two. So let's have a listen, see if I can say them with the same rhythm. So, there, a young, of, who was, by a, when she was, she, that, of. So all the unstressed words should take the same length of time to say if they're between the stressed words. So whether it's one word or two words, it takes the same length of time. So instead of saying a young, we'd say a young. Who was, who was. By a, by a. When she, when she. She was, she was. So the limerick rhythm is, there was a young lady of Clare who was sadly pursued by a bear. When she found she was tired, she abruptly expired, that unfortunate lady of Clare. So have a try, see if you can say this limerick and keep the rhythm as you do it. So now, you try.
There was a young lady of Clare who was sadly pursued by a bear. When she found she was tired, she abruptly expired, that unfortunate lady of Clare.
So how did you go? Could you say this limerick? Keep trying. Just a couple of minutes practice every day will help to strengthen your English muscles and so improve your English pronunciation, which in turn will help your English listening. You can find this and lots more limericks, tongue twisters and other ways to practice your English pronunciation in Jill's English Pronunciation Gym, right here on my YouTube channel or on the Study HQ Cairns website. It's called a gym because just like a regular gym, you go to work your muscles, make them strong. If you go regularly, you will see an improvement. So head on over to Jill's gym for a workout today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.